Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have x cube plus 4x is equal to 8, and we will find the value of this expression, which is x to the power of 7 plus 64 times of x to the power of 2. So that the very first thing we are going to do is, here we will move this 4x to the right hand side, so that this will becomes x cubed is equals to 8 minus 4 times of x. So I can name this as equation number 1. So now we find the value of this expression. So in order to find the value of this expression, first I will make this term, which is x to the power of 7, so that in order to make this exponent 7, first I will take the square on both of the sides. So it will becomes x cubed square minus 8 minus 4x whole square. So here we will apply the nice exponential line. You know that if we have a to the power of m to the power of n, so it is equals to a to the power of m times of n. So now we can multiply these two exponents, and it will becomes x to the power of 6 is equals to 8 minus 4x whole square. And after that we will apply here the nice square identity, and you know that if we have a minus b square, so it is equals to a square minus 2 times of ab plus b square. So now we apply this formula, so that this expression will becomes x to the power of 6 is equals to 8 square minus 2 times, because here you have the value of a is 1 and the value of b is 4x, so you just put the values of a and b in this formula and you get 8 square minus 2 times of 8 into 4x and plus b square, and b is 4x square. So that now we simplify the terms and we get 8 square is 64 minus, and 2 times of 8 is 16, and 16 4s are 64x, and plus here you have 4x, and which is equals to 16x square. So in the left hand side you have x to the power of 6, and in the start of the question we find x to the power of 7. So in order to find the value of x to the power of 7, we just multiply both sides by x, so that it will becomes, here you have 64 times of x minus here you have 64x, and it is equals to 64x square, plus here you have 16x square, it will become 16x cube, and in the left hand side we have x to the power of 7. And in the start of the question we find the value of the expression x to the power of 7 plus 64x square. So here you have minus 64x square, we move this in the left hand side, so it will becomes plus 64x square is equal to, in the right hand side we have 16x cube plus 64x. So after that we just simplify the right hand side, because the left hand side we make, and now we can take common here 16, and it will becomes x to the power of 3 plus 4x. So that in the start of the question we have the statement of the question is x to the power of 4x cube plus 4x is equals to 8, because this value is equals to 8, so now we can use this term. And here you have x to the power of 3 plus 4x, and it is equals to 8. So 16 8s are 128. So this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.